Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the ENO Doublenest Hammock and the Atlas straps to put it up. So when you buy the hammock, you get this, and then you need some straps to put it up, which is, I got the recommended ENO Atlas ones. And I'll teach you guys why I got these ones preferred to other kinds. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this. It is made of nylon, makes it really strong and durable. It can hold up to 400 pounds. This hammock, since it holds up to 400 pounds, you can have 2 people in this hammock, which is why it's called the double nest. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate for you guys how to set it up and give you guys a little bit more of what I think about it. Alright, let's go ahead and take this out of the bag. So the great thing about the ENO Doublenest Hammock, which is a lot of other hammocks do this, but when you take it out of the hammock, or when you take it out of the bag, it stays connected to the hammock. So it's a nice little pouch to put your stuff in, and it makes it really easy to put the hammock back away, which I will show you guys at the end of the video, how to put it back in there in a correct manner. So I'm going to go ahead and strap these straps to the trees. Atlas straps, I'm going to show you guys why I prefer to go ahead and spend the extra money to get these ones. Is these straps all have these little individual sockets for you to quickly change how high or low you want the hammock, and that makes it really easy. So when you set up the hammock, or when you set up the straps, you want the side that doesn't have the little holes, the little pockets. You want this part to be wrapped around the tree so that these parts are hanging down. So let's go ahead and stick this around the tree. And you want to stick this one through the hole on the end to bring it in and tighten it up. And then just pull it down to tighten it, and like so. And you have it in there real good, so you'll have your pockets down. And then you turn this, and there you go. Alright, we'll go ahead and do the other one. So we want the little hole at the end, wrap it around the tree, pull the end through the hole at the end, and then just tighten it up. There we go. I'm going to want to raise this, but I'll do that here in a minute. And just pull it, tighten it. Now we want to go ahead and unhook these while I have my hammock on the ground. Pull it out long, so you have one side facing one side of the tree, and then the other side on the other side. And we'll just go ahead and bring it over here, and we want to strap it into one of these holes. Just go ahead and put there. Strap this side in. Alright, and honestly it's really good at where I have it set already. Yeah. There we go. And then you can lay down in here. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. There we go. Honestly, it's pretty comfortable in here. You want your legs up a little bit higher than your head so that you don't feel like crap in the morning, so your back doesn't hurt and stuff like that. kind of like closed down pretty well. Kind of closes in above you, which would be good for it. Closing up on top of you is good for keeping the bugs out and stuff, as I don't have like a bug net and stuff set up right now, but it's really not that big of a deal. I'll just show you guys how to take it down. Just unstrap that side, come over here, unstrap this side. So I'm going to show you guys how I put it into the bag. A lot of you guys have been asking how to do this in the comments and stuff like that. So basically what you want to do is you want to get it rolled up longwise, like a hot dog. Grab one side, grab the clip, clip it into the other one, and then just try and get it rolled up as tight as you can, longwise, and then just start folding it in on itself. And once you have it into a little ball, it will go right in there, which is really convenient because honestly, I thought it was going to be difficult to stick it into this bag once you get it out. But this is the easiest thing ever to get it back in here. And then you just close it up. There you go. Got it back in the bag. And then the straps, you just roll them up like this. Really easy. I used to have these little rubber bands that it came with to hold it tighter, but can't find them. But it's alright. They stay in the bag really well. And just keep rolling. So personally, a lot of people ask tent or hammock. My opinion is to go with the hammock. It's lightweight, easy setup, easy takedown. It's honestly, it's better on my back. It makes it really easy to be above the ground, so you're not laying on the flat ground, which is just, it makes it a lot easier for backpacking. It's something that's lightweight that you can sleep in, that doesn't weigh 20 pounds. This thing weighs, I think it's like almost a pound. It's very lightweight, making it very worth using. And the ENO, any ENO hammock, they really make good product. Just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored by ENO. I just am extremely impressed with this hammock and other hammocks that they have made. But honestly, I think the Doublenest is the one to go for. Okay, so we went over a little bit about the ENO Doublenest Hammock. We went over how to take it out, set it up into the trees, and then how to put it away. Very simple. So I highly recommend this hammock to any of my friends or to anybody who's going backpacking or solo camping, anything like that. You can use it for 2 people, but make sure you guys really know each other, because you guys are going to be glued to each other when you get in that hammock. But yeah, this is a great hammock, and it's definitely my go-to item for backpacking or camping, because it's a great hammock, and it's very useful and easy, and it makes it a nice sleeping experience. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today's video over the ENO hammock. Hopefully this video was able to help you guys in some way, and if it did, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, and I will see you guys next time on a different video. God, it was so good until this.